Hello everyone, this will be my very first Nintendo Animal Crossing video. So basically, I'm gonna do off the bat is my island tour. So yeah, my island is at a 3-star, and right now it is past 12, so it is Sunday at the moment. And there we go. Here is basically my village right now. Yeah, I'll zoom in for you guys. There you go. But this right here is my village, and over here I have all the trees, all the fruit things unlocked. I have the pears, cherries, coconuts. Here, right here are my black roses. I know a lot of people grow the black ones to get the gold, and I'm pretty sure they sell for like 4K each for bells. Right now I have this many, and 200,000 metal. We got my red flowers. Right here is boars. No, hang on. If I spawn and stare, oh yeah, it's just you, Damien. Don't scare old men like that. No, I had to guess. You still can't go out. Oh yeah, right now I do have a wasp sting. But there's a wasp nest right here. Okay, boys. Actually, this place was used to be his home, Lyman's house. Lyman's house used to be right here, but I moved it because I was going to build a path to each and everyone's house. And I want to put something here too, and move these two around here and here. Here are all the animals I have, basically. I've been collecting all these basically. And come over here, we got more flowers. This one shaped like an H. I did not make it like that when I started the game. It was just like that when I made this island. I have not changed it. Here's the pears and apples. Looks kind of easy for my place. I have not changed the flag yet. And we have boards right here, and the Able Sisters are right here. And right here is the path. I was planning on making kiss sprinkles, the wedding table from the event, I guess, wedding day basically. Right here I was making like I was gonna try to make like a Shrek type thing, and I didn't really get it all done with. Here's the oranges I had. Let's go say hello to Lyman. He's one of those muscle type people. A lot of people don't like those ones because they're like, all they do is talk about it. But we see here, I actually did give him a couple things. I gave him a common butterfly because the reason why I gave him the common butterfly was because one day he was staring at it and I was like, oh wow, I'll just be nice to him. Let him see it. I gave him this fish and a rose. Yeah. Now right there is Lyman. So yeah. One prank. Take my So this right here will be these two people's houses. Which this one is Jack. I don't know how to say that name. I'll show you what they look like. So we have mine. We got Boris, Scylla, Lyman, Diva, Henry, Wolfgang, Bendrak, Sprinkles, Limburg, and Gale. We have all those people there. Well, I will show my house off at the last part of this video. So you guys just entertainment to look at my house last. But we can see here, this is right here, a little quick place. I want to get rid of these, most of these trees, and build a vent right here. Go up. So here's Wolfgang's house, and yeah, house, and you can see I put these two together, just because I was trying to get like all a bunch in together, so I could like see them all at once. Well, we go over here. We don't have really anything over on this side of the island. We got the shells that might have an animal out, tiny, and a nice island. I don't know if anyone does have the secret island. I need to change up the way it looks for mine. I want to add a new seat, because I added a bad seat looking like there's a fossil and you grab that. And here's a seat. Just sitting out in the sun. That's how I have the seat. But since they added a new update with, I think Red is his name, that sells fake art and real art. Nothing to the left of me. Basically, I haven't really touched anything up here. I leave this place alone, just ride around and stuff. See, got some. Right here we got these orange, yellow, and red, spread to orange. Great combo. We got a pink right there, and the white keeps spreading, which I don't really like it, but I'm not gonna really mess with that area at the moment. When I gotta build the ramp up there, I'll start messing with it. We come down here. I got like a full thing of trees over here before, and then we have this clam bed. This clam bed is extremely expensive to make. See if I can find it real quick to show you. What's that? Apple hat? Yeah. Here it is. We got giant clam, thick clay, and stone. Giant clams are not that easy to find, really. So yeah. Then we got my little piece of wood here that you go fishing at. Sometimes go a little bit of get a little bit of a sneeze out there. Chew. No, again, that's basically it. So I'll just show you the villages I have and what their houses look like. At least ones are up at the moment. Some of them might be sleeping since it is midnight where I am at. And no, I don't time travel. So here's Wolfgang. Well, they keep making fun of my face, which I'm gonna go put medicine, I guess. And then I can show you my house, just cause. Damn, that sprinkles like that, wasn't it? Yeah, the sprinkles. She's a bully. We can go in here first and then let them see the fossil I found. So now I'm gonna go off to my house, show it off a little bit. Actually, let me show the music I have. I don't have all of it unlocked, but here's the songs I do. Aloha, Bubblegum. Bubblegum. Country, Cruising, D&B. Anyway, I like that. This one, Welcome Horizon. And this one right here would be that one. I don't know if it's like... I don't know what's up with her house. I gave her a lot more stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot to make the medicine. I'm sorry about the focusing. But anyway, let me show you my house. Boris is still watering the flowers, it looks like. And this is my house. I'm not done with it all the way, and like you can see, I'm still like adding a lot of stuff to it. Over here is the double bed, the switch, the home academy world. My eyes are messed up, by the way. We have all these right here. The Animal Crossing Switch, which is connected to the TV. Dresser, which we do got some change and clothes in here. Yeah, all these. I was sticking around with this because I didn't have any regular pants yet. The mask. Oof. And I only have one pair of shoes. Oh, wait, close it. That's what I usually look like. Here, I made this room my bathroom. It's not fully done yet. I think I'm gonna add a wash machine and stuff in here. You can see the automatic toilet, the bathtub, the shower, and what I want to do is add a wash machine and dryer. The thing is, I don't have a wash machine at the moment. No, well, I have a wash machine, but I don't have a dryer. So we put that right there. And I want to put a dryer somewhere. Right now, I don't have one. So I think in real life, I do school band. So I made this room like a band type room. So yeah, this thing, and I bought the book today. Here's a saxophone. So the thing about this statue is that it is a fake. I don't know how you're supposed to figure out what if it's real or fake or something. Yeah. That statue is a fake. I didn't really spend much time making the rooms because I'm not that into making the houses just yet. I will be making the houses quite sooner or later. Anyway guys, that will be it for today. I will make more Nintendo type videos if you want me to, and if you do, leave a like, subscribe, and hope you enjoy, and catch you all next time. Peace.